Yo. Kevin. So good morning to you. Da 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 da. Ba da ba ba ba. Ba da ba ba ba. All right. So, how is everyone? It's a good morning to ya. My wife makes McGriddles at home. She takes two Eggos, a sausage patty, put some eggs on it, and then put syrup, cheese and syrup on it in the middle of two Eggos. Fire, fire. All right, give me just a second. We'll get busy, people. I forgot my drink. Give me a second. I forgot my drink in the car. That's a cardinal sin, everyone. Hands up in the fire. Burn, 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 burn. Let's get busy, people. If it means hurry up and wait, people. All right. Good, good, good. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. All right. So the three choices we have on the daily chart: up, down, and sideways. Everyone seems to forget about sideways. Elijah, I'm going to turn the lights on because we know I'm about to start yawning, even though I just woke up. Elijah, wait till you see how good the camera looks. Watch this. Watch this. This looks great. Ready? Bang! Ooh, I look good. Ooh, girl. You guys remember Shanae? Oh, no, he didn't. I think Shanae and Homie the Clown. Those were the funniest ones. Anyone? To wash down these perks. Okay. Burn, 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 burn. I pray to God for some water to wash down these perks. I've been cursed since birth. All right. So if you look at the 4 hour, we're stuck in this range. Okay, that's really consolidated here. And let me zoom out. And if you look, it's the bigger range here. Okay. So the thought is, do we move through this? Okay. Or because if you look at the volume here, let me bring this up on the 4-hour chisel snart. Look at the volume here. Okay. So this is really our bar that we're watching. You can see the pain in my laugh. Voices in my head. All I can hear them say. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to watch how far does it go into this level. And then I want you all to see right here. I want to say right around 35. 7535. Right where we're at now. Oh yeah. Right where we're at now. Okay, do we come down to this line? Okay. Do we possibly hit the meridian threshold? Okay, and pop up? Or is this the bottom? Is this the top? We have so much noise here. And as you can see, I don't have the crime scenes on. Okay, if we turn those on, see how it's complete noise? That's we could see the noise without having them on. Right? We're at the low, at the low. They're trying to expand, right? So is it this? So we'll leave these on there. Noise. Um, Noise. And we have a draw there. You see that? Gak, 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 gak. Okay, we do have some external lick. You can see the pain in my laugh. Okay, we came down to we drew on the 50% threshold, couldn't touch the threshold, couldn't touch the threshold. Okay, now here's what I see here on the 1 hour. Okay, so did they just draw? Did they just sweep that lick? Okay, or not? Noise. Noise, right? So, how do we take advantage of the noise? Here's what Bobby was asking me yesterday. Bobby Digital was talking about how do you tell if you are chopping or trending? I'm so glad you asked. Thanks for asking, Bobby. Um, Noise, right? Noise. Okay, so now do we have anything that's unopened? Yellow lines that are not touched. But you don't understand about me is I never gave a fuck about a goddamn thing. I wake up in the morning, do my goddamn thing. I pop, I sip, I pull my lean. I'm indecisive on this type of activity here. Joey, give me your thoughts over in Discord on what you see here. Noise. Noise. Let's get busy, people. Okay, I do want to point out if you look at the high to high, there we are. We're right at it, folks. So, do we get through here or not? Does the 8 turn above the 20 and the 20 turn back upwards? Let's find out. Okay, now what I want to do is let's go P VWAP 200 on the 15-minute chart. Noise! Noise! Let's go to the 5-minute.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
Ooh, that's a buy signal. Holy shit. You don't understand about me. Look at that. That's a buy signal. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a buy signal. Let's go down to the 2 and let's see if we see anything. Oh, it just pops upwards. So the VWAP opens above the 200. Okay. All right, there's the desk yards. What's crazy is I'm not tired. I don't know why it does. I think my breathing slows down. All right, let's see if we see anything on the Unos Momentos Grafica. Oops. Damn it. Wander to LA. It just looks so beautiful. And then this is where you end the trade. Maybe it's the drugs. Maybe it's because my girlfriend is the plug. Um, it just goes. That's the right data, right? I'm seeing that correctly. It just chomped it. That doesn't look right. That's not right. What the hell? Yeah, that's not right. It's missing several hours. Open to explore. Yeah, that's not right. That's not what it looks like. Because where is 1800 hours? Where's 1900 hours? Where's 20, 21, 22, 23, 2400 hours? Okay. Oh, tools, historical data, load. What? Okay. I wandered to LA, hoping to explore. All right, I'm updating. Oh, there it is. Look at it loading. All right, from now on, we know that when it gives us these Gappertinos, there it is. There it is. Hey, hey, it was missing all of Sundays. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. All right, so here's. I think it's loading on all charts here. Then I'm going to die. I'm a rock star in his prime. All right, so this is all there. Yeah, there we go. There's the right data. Oh, all right. Are we, be? Okay, let's get busy, people. All right. Okay, so we have this here. Not convincing. They're gonna bring it back to the V Wappleton. Let's see if they bring it back to the Wappleton of the V. We are no longer in the narrowest range of the last 7 days. We've got some noise. Noise. Okay, notice our spread. This is the 1 minute chart. Notice once we get through the spread, it holds as support, comes in, fails, holds as resistance. All right, so now what we're waiting for is what do they do with right here? Mucho, mucho, mucho importante. Okay, and then if we catch a Runsky, oops, if we catch a Runsky, okay, our target is here. Now, notice we have this CS as soporte. What do you say support in Spanish? Apoyo. Um, so this is chop, folks. Until we get some sort of direction. We gotta be careful. Trying to find my dome. New phone, who's this? Uh-oh. Okay, we have some tight spreads. So we need to see where it goes from 30s, 29s, 30s. I ain't playing by your rules. Got a room full of toxic people. All right, VPOC is 27. That's where we're at now. You can see this is where everybody agrees the price should be. We want to trade the disagreement. Lots of noise on the 5. There's a room full of toxic people. All right. One thing I want to point out, notice that the buy and sell paint is not working right now. Okay, we have to figure out, well, what is it doing? Okay, first thing I want to point out, notice we have a discrepancy. We have a divergence between see it. It's hard to see. Okay, between the delta and price. So they're leaning into the bid after this. Okay. So, have they accumulated enough to push it up? Or is this accumulation for them to sell even greater? Are they accumulating the supply that they need? That's the question we're going to be watching for later on. Okay, we got 4 minutes till the opening bell. Morning. Yeah, we just broke through the mucho, mucho, mucho importante. Now what? Now what? Oh. Yeah, they're driving into the opening. Okay, like we said just a minute ago, the buy and sells are not working as we think they are, right? No, notice only I think only one or two of these actually came to target here. I think this one made it. Yeah, that's the only one that made it. Yep. Oh, this little one made it, but that's I don't know. That's not even enough to feed the kids. Okay, so notice this one right up here. They were thrusting above our mucho mucho importante. Okay, and what did they do? Failed. So let's take our time looking for some executions. Let's get the lay of the land. I don't see it yet. Joey is saying the failure of it printing 77 overnight is bullish. Thank you, Joey. You can see that right here. All right, there they go to the 1 minute spread. Yo, Mr. Davy Day Trader, it's a good morning to ya. Okay, 4025 is legit. That's what I was looking at. Yeah. It's just right in a precarious place. Lots of noise above us. Yeah, they took profit at 43. 1,400 times. Delta's falling. If you took the 2 minute, you're already hitting targets.
Pink bar, 5-minute chart.
5 minutes legit, but the stop is 24 points. 25 points. All right, prior high. I guess 40-25 was the nuts. Damn. Let's go, Nick. All right, the NQ is up 1.34%. Okay, we're at the spread on the two. Wow. Wow. Right into the 2 minute spread. Look at that, right into the 2 minute spread. Bink! As posted over in Discord. Prior high 45-25. Hmm.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Order cancel. Okay, 2-minute chart complete. I just took the small first target. Okay, second target. There you go. Second target, 49.75. Okay, you're right back into the 2-minute spread. You're right back into the 2-minute spread. Okay, five's legit. Okay, major over under on the Duas Grafica, 50.75. And 45.25 overnight high. All right, on the 10 range, you've got an unopened white. Okay, around 30. Damn, Nick, it went right to your target and then fell. Nice. And the thing is, you could use the ES to gauge that. That was perfect. Right up into the 2-minute sprizzle snid. Delta's yuck. Okay, for it being up 0.58% and the NQ up 1.2%. Okay, here's the negative. YM is gap fill. Russell is only up 0.44. Crude oil's down. Gold is fractionally down. Yeah. So how did they finish this 5-minute bar? The bar. How do we get to the bar? They just drew on liquidity up there above the 5 deuces, right? And we're already back down to the 4 deuces. Oh boy. Okay. All right. Good. Good. We got 50 seconds till this bar closes. Let's see what they do with it. Let's leave it open. I am only up just under 2 points. Just under 2 puentes. Oh, look at them selling. We're down into the 40s. 40s. Boom. Off of the 52s. 52 to 40. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Ándale. Do they close below 40.75? Yes, they do. Decision point on the 5. Cinco, cinco, cinco. Cinco, cinco, cinco. Okay, back into the VPOC 41.75. They're pushing value up with Delta in the gutter. Deltoid, gutter deltoids. Yep, yep, you heard it here first, folks. We got gutter deltoids. Any questions so far? I'm trying to ask myself, did I miss anything?
Pink bar,
Not
1
that
minute chart.
wasn't feeling, okay, feeling like a trade. Hey, there's your 1 minute target. And it's blue again. You got an 18. Look at that. Right back into the spread. You have an 1875 CS that has lots of support on it. Let me show you. Okay, right there. That went down a lot further than I was thinking it was going to do as quick as it did. What I was waiting for. Okay, let me show you. I was waiting for a lower high. Okay, like this. Okay, and then a yellow bar right here. That would have been my sizzle signal. 15-minute is definitely turning over. He got 7 minutes. 7-minute abs. Who has 7 minutes to work out? I've got 6-minute abs. Wow, look at the tape. Yuck. Okay, they tried to buy it at 30 after taking out all inventory with a gap from 34s to 31s. Many of you spent time this weekend working on Claude? I did. Now I'm waiting for Elijah to check it, and then we're going to carry on. They might have to fill this gap between 32 and 34. Okay, we got a Joey
Blue
X
bar
here.
alert.
Right there. Boom. 2475. Complete. Okay, we have prior noise here between the 15s and the 13s. Wow, look at him taking this down. I didn't want to take this because it's right on the unos, the dos minutos gráfica, low to low. Yeah, this 4-hour bar just went negative. And what do we have? 1 minute till it closes? Okay, 25 seconds till this bar closes. This is critical. If you watch right here, it'll be red or blue. 15 seconds. If it's blue, it's flat or green slightly. If it's red, it's down. Okay, 5 seconds. They're going to close it flat. They're going to close it slightly down. Look at that. Bang. Now what? Now what? Oh, wow.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Okay, on the 15-minute, look at this. Okay, if we get paint on the next bar, it's sell only. You see that? Green, white. Okay, all of you should have this chart. We got price, VWAP, 200. Very simple. Okay, if we get paint right here, well, it would have to be right here. That would be, this is going to be a sell only type situation. Let's see what it does. All right, there's 1R on your 10R. Holy guacamole and cheese, it worked. Deutschne, 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 Deutschne. Okay, VAL, Roch here at 19. I could see myself in your eyes. Right at VAL. It's telling me to hurry up and wait. On the 15-minute Grafica, I'm going to put this line in there. Okay, that is the 10 p.m. high. Okay, new crime scene. 30. You guys remember when we used to draw that by hand? Yikes. Pepperidge Farms remembers. Okay, new snaky poo. Excuse me. New crime scene. Snaky poo touch. 10 range. Delta struggling. Hope everybody's having a Wunder day. Wunderbar day. I am chilling. Noise around the O's to O4s. Noise right above us, the 28s. Noise on the 5. Tons of noise between O and about 10.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Pink bar, 10 range chart. I am not taking this long if you're wondering what I'm doing. Not taking it. Yeah, new crime scene. 15-minute right Belizzo. Right Belizzo. 2-minute is not legit, even though it is a cell to
Blue bar,
15. It's
10
not
range
legit.
chart.
Okay, we're real close to having a 2-minute, 15-minute reversal on PV 200. That's kind of what we're looking for if we're looking for it, fam. Wow, look at this thing go. Look at this thing go. Wow. Look at it go. It's such a mess. Let's see if we can find location. All right, 10 p.m. high. Or excuse me, that's 8 p.m. What am I doing? I need to learn military time.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted.
Okay, a
Order
little slow
canceled.
on that one. Actually, no one would have been filled. It only printed 19. Okay, I feel better. I was feeling a little verklempt. 2 minutes juice. just at the location that mm, I'm not so sure I want to short through. Yikes. Wow, it went right back to 1925, tapped it, and came down. Son of a biscuit eating business owner. Okay, new crime scene, 15 men. 15 men. All right, 2 minute, 2150 work. I wouldn't say it was legit though. If we're speaking about just straight momentum downwards, then I would say it would be fine. Wow. I balked 0 day. If you guys shorted, great job. Joey was given the levels all the way through on the in the Discord. Whew.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Two micros.
Order submitted.
Tyson, you got a bunch of smoke there. I got ash falling. Six. Big decision here under 10. Major decision here under 10. Okay, Joey's level is 09s, and he says it could fall very quickly. I'm looking for sixes, 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 sixes. Okay, stops in,
Order
stops in,
submitted.
stops in. Okay, stop at 1250, free trade. Probably gonna come back and tap me, but I don't care, right? Oh sixes, oh sixes. I'm in the micros because it's such a huge fucking stop. Come on, break that 10. Break that 10. Break that 10. It's got to go through 9. Joey says it goes through 9 very quickly. So let's see if we can get some. We're going to minimize the risk. Stop is already at 1250. Okay, here in a second we're going to change that to one contract.
Target
Okay.
filled. Order. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
Yeah, I'm right in the middle of 28 fires.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
They've got a 2-minute sell at 875 with an ad at 13.
Stop filled. Order
Stop
filled.
at 1725.
Order submitted.
We don't really want this above about 15.
Order filled. Order submitted.
I'm in the micros. Stops are huge, so I'm in the micros, and we're late in the move, so I'm in the micros, right? Even if this stops me out, I'll be green. Small green. We're gonna rip right through here now. Okay, the over-under is right here on this. Okay, they're trying to push it. Are they successful, or is it fail right here? Ooh, it touched my target, no fill. Yikes.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Nineteens. Okay, 19 is your high to high. 1875 print, no 19, no 19. Sometimes they say front run whole numbers. Well, I kind of agree with that.
Order submitted.
Teens, 19s, and then 23. Is that? No, 19, then 22.
Order canceled.
Okay, 19s. 3 left. 22 is 2R. 22 is 2R. First touch blue on your 10 range. Big decision here at 2375, 2325.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
Order filled.
That
Target
just
filled.
need change. 20, 23, 25, 24, 50. Huge noise here. 22s. Push. Push, you freaking maggots. Before I drown. Okay, 1R on your 1 minute is 24.50. Noise on the 1 minute. Can we get through it? Push. It went 1 tick from my target. 2 ticks from my target of 23 quart. I should have front ran the whole number. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. VWAP there, 2023 VWAP. Come on, push through it. Push through it. Let's go.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order
Okay,
canceled.
1650's out. Okay, they got 2 ticks from the VWAP and reversed it. You're being very careful because our 5 minute and 15 minutes kind of negative there. Push. Got to go above 19 now. Otherwise, this thing's toast.
Pink bar, 5-minute chart.
Yep. I'll still be green. I'll still be green if this stops me out. I'll just be fractionally green. I am in the micros. I have nothing to gain here by trying to be heavy. There's nothing to gain here. We went right into noise and we faded back. They're leaning.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Decision. It has to go above 19 here, otherwise this is going to fade back. Okay, new crime scene on the 10. Okay, tons of noise back on the 1 minute, right back where we were on the highs here. We need higher than this. We need 19s, 20s. And then you're going to have a bunch of noise around 22s, 23s. That's where it stopped us, right? That's where my target was right above it. I should have put my target right in it in hindsight, right? Okay, there's 19s, there's 19s, there's 19s. Do they get VWAP or does it completely fall on its head right here? Oh, see, there's the seller. They got to get past that 19 seller. What they did is they just pulled the bid there. They just pulled the bid. They didn't even. They found a seller coming in. They said, "Oh, you're gonna hit. You're gonna hit the bid." Mm-hmm. 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 Hey, we're right at V POC 1750. Did they get all? So did the longs get all they could eat underneath it? Let's take a look here. Okay, did the longs get all they can eat underneath it, right? So we'll see an inverted head and shoulders if that is going to be the case. If that's going to be the case. Okay, and we want to okay, final target would be up here on the 10 range. Final target. Okay, and then next target is right here on the 1 minute. If it goes, right? I'm in the micros, so my stop is 1250
Yellow bar,
to
10
10.
range chart.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Push. Oh man, one tick. Oh no, wait. The ES filled 1725. The MES did not. Come on, here we go. Ouch. Come on, one contract. Let's go. Okay, they sold above the 19, so that's kind of a bummer, right? So now we got to get through 18. If the longs want any chance at this, they got to get their 18s. I want your love. Slower.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
Order filled. Order submitted.
All right. Do they test this low to low and then push
Order
it lower?
canceled.
Okay. Or not, right? Right here on the 10 range. Okay, either the major seller comes in here or it pushes up. Right, decision right here. Right there. Yep, just like I said at 14.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Decision right here. I'm small red. Small red. In the micros, small red. Very small, less than 150 bucks.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Okay, they tried to absorb. What is that number there? Okay, they tried to absorb 15
Order
quarts.
canceled.
Let's see if they're successful or if they get smacked. Look at your 10 range. Okay, noise, right? Okay, we got a high to high here. And I have not been stopped out yet, just for the simple fact that I'm in the micros. Okay, they're going to take my stop and then run it. That's what they're going to do. All right, here we go.
Order
2025's
canceled.
out. We got 23, okay, 2325, 2375, 2450 targets. We got to push, right? All of this noise here. Okay, and then the next round of noise is 28s. So that's the next exits. Okay. He just sold the farm at 21 quarter. Let's see if he gets absorbed or smacked. Okay, he sold 582 before they could sell 8. You notice it was right here in this level. Okay, he could have been taking profit on the he hit market on the under the bid. Okay, and so now let's see if the guy that owns it, because someone had to buy it, right? If someone sold it at 125, someone bought it, right? So now we have a big battle at 125.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
You're watching the spread here at 15.
Order filled.
Blue bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted.
Okay, 1475 over under here.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Blue bar alert.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay, seeing if we can get above 13, 15s, excuse me, 1475 and 19. 2125 by tape, 1475 by spread, and obviously your 10s are your low to low, 9s, 10s. So my location would be low to low.
Order canceled.
Decision point right here. There's a lot of inventory above us. You can see it on the uptick. They have to eat through this inventory to make any of this work. Long side, if the longs are going to take control.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
I'm watching 10 as the over under here. Snake bite right above us.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Ten range snake bite. 10 range snake. He's trying to buy the eights, but he's got all the inventory you want. Got to get through that inventory at eights. 875, 850. If the longs are going to take control on the sweep or grab, depending on how you look at it. They're leaning. Went one tick from my target.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Snake bite. Snake on the 5.
Order filled. Order submitted.
This is how you don't do it in the micros.
Order filled. Order submitted.
This is how you don't do it in the micros. Okay, 4 is the spread on the 10 range. Looks like they're going to hunt 99s to 96s here. Hmm. Oops. I completely fucked this up. Let's see if it holds the spread or not. I'm in the micros. They're leaning. They're going for the OOs. They're going for 96s possibly. Okay, if they don't, 550 is a flat tire. Flat tire at 625. Okay, you have a flat tire at 1025.
Order canceled.
$7.25. Come on, one tick, Rick. Don't do that. Completed business at 7. And I had a 7.25 order.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, if you're short on the 2, you got a 175 target, but shorting down here is late.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay, decision at 550.
Order canceled.
Okay, decision at 725. 725. 725 decision. And here's what I'm looking at, right here. I think the next big buyer or seller will tell us. And then the 04 on the 10 range spread. Okay, decision. They sold there. Let's see if they keep selling or if it pops straight to 9. Remember, 10 is your
Order
over
canceled.
under. Okay, 7 quarters out. So decision here at 7s. Actually at 7 quarter. Like major. So now we have completed business twice. Look at this. So between 10 and 11 is going to be someplace that they're going to look to short if they're going to short. If they're going to short, right? 975, 11s.
Order
Okay,
canceled.
975, 11s. That'll touch right here. If 11's print, that'll touch right here. If, right? If. Okay, 10 printed to the tick, 14 by 71. 10 by the tick. To the tick, excuse me. Ten to the tick, 14 by 71, right? So now the over under hard is 10.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order
Okay,
submitted.
1275 1R, 1275 1R. Okay, snake actually didn't complete in the fact that white went in between red and blue. One tick, one tick, one tick, one tick, one tick. Completed business at 1250, 29 by 100. Okay, 10 is the over under. Okay, see the sellers trying to hold 10. Are they successful or not? Let's see. It'll be one big move, up or down. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Boy, they like it here. I don't know which way it's going to go, but they like it. Someone likes it.
Order, order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Yeah.
Order canceled.
Okay, notice, wow, look at the 10 range spread. They just are they buying it underneath there? I don't know. I don't know. I'm watching, but man, they sure skyrocketed up after it. Noise. Everywhere I look is noise. Everything is noise. I'm in the micros. I've got a really low average price here. 10 still your over under.
Yellow bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Ah, no fill at 7. No fill at
Order
7.
canceled.
I don't think anyone would have been filled at 7. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There's your 10s. Okay, 10s, 13s, 10s, 13s. 13 will be an absolute like slap. Okay, and so either they're going to sell right into it or it's going to push straight through the 1475s if we get 13. Notice 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Stop, break, push. Okay, we have 15 by 42 at 10. So they've completed business at 10. Do they complete business at 13? So here's the perfect signal. I didn't get filled. Just full disclosure, I didn't get filled. Look at how we have the high or low. Okay, and then you get your yellow bar. And then that's it, right? I messed up. I didn't get my 7 in. 10's first target, 13's 2R. 13 is a major level. 10 and 13, 1475, 1625. Major. Okay. 10 major right now. 10 and 7. 10 and 7. See how it dies above this 10? They need to capitulate for this to push. I'm in the micros. That's why I'm safe. I haven't gone over 11 micros. And then I'm very quickly out of that 11, 10, and 9. There
Target
we go.
filled.
There we go.
Order
There we go.
filled.
There we go. There
Order
we go. There
canceled.
we go. There we go. Do you see how fast that was? Right
Pink
into
bar, 1 minute
1625.
chart.
Do you guys see that? Tape read extraordinaire. Let's fucking go. Watch 1850s. Watch 1850s. Okay, I got 1725 and then above us. Down to 6 micros. Down to 6 micros. Okay, 1375 is a buy on, excuse me, 14's a buy on the 1 minute.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
1851R.
Order submitted.
1851R.
Order canceled.
1851R. It's legit on the 1. It's legit on the 1.
Order canceled.
1850, 1850. Let's roll. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's go, boys and girls. Okay, big level 1875. 10, 7, 22 to 2350. Clear? Right into noise. Look how they stop it right there. Bink. I'm down to 5. I'm down to 5. I'm so glad I did this in the micros. Oh my God. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Major. Look at that. Look at that. Ah. Okay, now, do they hold 13s and 10s or does it go straight through it? Look at how they stopped it at 18.7 Feezy.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Keeps falling down. 13s, okay, 10s, 13s, 16, excuse me, 1475, 1850. If they don't print 10, it's really bullish. If we print 10, it's got to bounce off a 10, otherwise it's dead. DOA. Sweatshirt off.
Order submitted.
Got to print 15, but 15.25 before we figure out what's next. Otherwise, it's going straight to 10 because they're leaning into the bid. They got to stop leaning for this to go up for the buyers or the longs to take control. I'm not saying it has to. Notice we hit this high to high trend line almost to the tick. Right inside the noise. New crime scene. 1150.
Order filled. Order submitted.
$14. Okay, we got some railroad tracks going sideways here on the 10 range. So which way does it break? 10. Okay. I had a 950 bid. Are you freaking kidding me?
Order
Are
canceled.
you freaking kidding me? I had a 950 bid.
Order canceled.
Let me show you why. Okay. I wanted to play the 10. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. What is my tape read? 7, 10, 14, 75. Okay. So look at this. Ah, 975, 13 by 0. Straight off of my order. Gosh, bless America. Oh, gosh, bless America, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so where are we going? All right, next target is 2075.
Order submitted.
If we break, okay, 1650, 1850, 2075, let's go. 10's the over under still. You could see we have been calling this tape freaking perfectly. Ladies and gentlemen, you are not going to get this tape reading in other rooms. Very few, if any. Very few. Here we go.
Order canceled.
Here we go. Okay, 1650's out. 50's out. 1850, 2175, 2325, 2375. Stuck in the mud. Stuck in the mud. Where do we go? Where do we go? Let's go. Let's go. Push through there. Do it. Do it. Do it. Captain and Coke. Do it. Okay, 2125 is your V WAP. VPOC shifted 1350. So now ask yourself, do they own it? Or do they have demand? Or do they have supply, right? Or which one are they going to be able to take care of? I mean, it's what I mean to say. Okay. Okay, 1850, 2075, and then all the way up into the 24s, and then it'll be out of the trade here. And yes, I entered the whole time.
Pink bar alert
Folks,
Revy.
stop. I expected it to go 96. My stop was just underneath where we're at. Okay.
Blue
In
bar,
the micros,
10 range chart.
18.
Order filled. Order canceled.
21. I have 2075 and 21. I'll go 2075 on both.
Order submitted.
Push. Right at the high to high. Yeah, to the tick. 19s.
Order filled. Order submitted.
1675. One tick Rick. One tick Rick.
Order
Okay,
canceled.
75's out. 75's out right before this yellow line. Perfect. 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 I bought 1475. Excuse me. I bought 15 and I sold 1675. I bought 15 on the leg sweep. Okay.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Seventeen, 17,
Order
17,
canceled.
17's out, 17's out. I bought 15 on the leg sweep again. I got 17. They're trying to lean. Do they get snuffed up into the 20s? Do they get snuffed up into the twizzle snunnies? Notice your high to high trend line has held twice here. 1, 2. Does it hold again? And if it does it completely just fall apart? Or not, right? Here we go. 2075. If it's going to go, if it's going to look, here's the deal. If we're going to get through the 19s, it's going to pop. They're going to hit stops. Or, excuse me, let me say that a different way. We want it to hit stops, not limit orders. We want it to look just like this one. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Do it. Do it. Captain and Coke. Do it. Do it. 2075. Captain and Coke. Do it. Do it. Do it. Sticky spot right here, boys and girls. Sticky. Noise at 22 to 23.25 on your Unos Momentos Grafica. You've got 21 even V Wappleton. Let's go. Come on, 2075. You know what to do. Captain and Coke. Do it. Do it. How many of you guys know where that actually? What movie is that from? Do you know? One tick. Unos ticos. How do you say one tick? Spanish. Garapata. Uno garapata. Uno garapata. That sounds like some Star Wars
Order
shit.
canceled.
Uno garapata. Si, senor. Let's go. 2075's out. I've got 3 left. 2375 is the next target. 2450 will be my finale. There's no way we go to 2450. Stop. Stop. There's no way we go to 2450. Just stop it.
Target
Come on.
filled.
Ooh. 2375. Order filled. 2450. Finale. Finito. One tick. One tick. Uno garapata. Uno garapata. Oh, you rat bastard. Uno garapata. Here it comes. Moo. Nope. Uno garapata. Yeah, it's Tyson, it's pretty smoky here, and definitely ash falling all over the place. You can't open your windows. You got to run on circulate. You got to freaking this. You got to bada boom, bada 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 bing. Come on, 2450. You son of a biscuit eater. Okay, now I have to move my stop so far up, it's going to be comical. Holy shit. Okay, I'm going to put my stop at 18. I'm gonna put my stop at 15. Oh, I hate this. Oh, this stop's way too big. That's okay. 2450 final target. We got to 2425. Oh, we've got some unfinished business up here. Look at this. Hello, ladies. Hello. Look at the buy and balance up here. Booyaka. Come on. Come on, 2450. 2450. Do it. Do it. I want it to move up so I can move my stop up. Okay, if we push above 23s, my stop is going to go 1875. Last trade of the day, folks. We're going to be coming to the end of this stream. It's been a freaking good one. Okay, 1775 stop. A 1675 stop. I don't want it right. I don't want it right on this line. Come on, hold it, 2075. Do your thing, Chicken Wang. Come on, 2075. Do your thing. Print 23. They're leaning again. Let's see if they get snuffed or if they win. Should go straight through 18s if the buyers get snuffed. Okay, we got buy imbalances down at the bottom, but they're trying to fill them. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There it goes. There's the sellers. There's the sellers. There's the sellers. Now snuff them. Back through 20. Back through 2075. Come on, Captain and Coke, do it. This will put me very green for the day, even if I get stopped out. I'll put my stop at 16. I don't like it in this noise. I hate it. I hate it because I want it to come back into this noise and then push. There's 18. We don't want it. We don't want it anywhere below that. Okay, and the failure of this yellow line is rather bearish.
Stop
Okay,
filled.
okay, out, but very, very profitable. Very, very profitable. I'm gonna end the stream here. I'm just gonna say this. Commissions and trade day are ass. Just trading the micros. I have $80 in commissions. Go fuck yourself. Okay, stopped out at the exact low. Oh, yeah. Woo. Okay, I'm going to move this stream over to the x.com. It's been a wonderful stream, everybody. I got stopped at the freaking low. Literally. Oh my God. Look at this. Literally. Literally. Oh no. Literally, I got stopped at the freaking low. Okay, that's okay. Very green. Mucho verde. Mucho verde. For the micros, I am up over. It's supposed to be 400, but because I have $80 in freaking commissions, I'm going to talk to them about that. Look, they hit me on the fucking low. Look at this, you fucking bastards. Oh my God, look at that. They needed my 2 micros. Go suck it. All right, that's going to do it for me. I'll see everybody. Hold on, let me get the Twitter. Here you go. Follow us on Twitter at Rev at SageFT at _SageFT. Sorry, at _SageFT. Excuse me. I'll see everybody over there. Peace.